Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, October 29th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, another Friday has mercifully ended along with uh, another uh, trading month, and it's about what you would expect for uh, the couple days before Halloween and a Friday. We You're looking at the Dow here. The Dow gained 89 points today. It is with if we have any kind of positive movement in the Dow on Monday, it will make a new record high. It's just hovering right below it right now. Um, we had 7 positions coming in. We were negative $3,700. Yesterday, we closed out negative 7,400. So we about doubled our losses and closed out. That's getting pretty typical lately. We hold overnight, and rather than have things get better overnight, they just get worse. And it's a very persistent and repeated pattern that we're seeing there. Very frustrating. We did get into 4 positions, 3 positive, 1 negative, and we're positive just over $4,000. And we made almost all that money in the last 15 minutes of the day, and I'm going to show you a chart of that in a second. So we've ended October. I did the statistics on October. We lost $40,000 in October, and this is the fourth consecutive losing month in a row. In 10 years, I don't think I have had 4 consecutive losing months in a row. This is like sailing on the Titanic. That's what it feels like to me. Um, Even in 2018, I was slightly negative by the end of the year, but I didn't have 4 consecutive losing months in a row. We made um, $700,000 this year in the first 2 months, and it's just been downhill since then. And because we made all that money the first 2 months, we're still up 58%, but it feels absolutely terrible because we're just chipping away at those profits. We had a good month in June, but then 4 consecutive losing months in a row we're in a drawdown of over $200,000. It just feels awful. And even though maybe we're up 58%, we were up almost 300% in 2020. So this year has not been very satisfying to me at all. Still have 2 months to go, and you could say you never know what's going to happen, but boy, I'll tell you, uh, the politics and events going on right now doesn't give me much confidence that we're going to see much of a change, but I could be wrong. I'll show you the one interesting stock today, but it's also like everything else, it kind of confounds me. This is BTBT, which is Bit Digital Incorporated, and we had bought this yesterday midday, and then we got knocked out of it this morning with about a $2,500 loss. So it didn't look good at all this morning. And then it meanders around, looks like a rally. And then it actually went down and almost made new lows with only 30 minutes to go. And then in the last 15 minutes, this huge spike takes off. We grab it about a third of the way up, and it closes absolutely on its high. It went up a little in the aftermarket, not as much as I would have expected given this price action, but at least they didn't come in and crush it in the aftermarket. It did close a little bit higher than where it closed on the regular session. So what's going on there? Hey, I have no idea. And we'll hold into Monday. Yeah, it probably won't, given the way things are going, but maybe it'll surprise me. We'll see. Anyway, oh man, this is tough, folks. This is really tough. It's like sailing the Titanic. Trader Bob signing off, and you guys have a great weekend. I'll be back here on Monday.